Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. And here where we take up our bed and walk, or we make up our bed and strut. Okay. My name is Ronnie, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I prepare steak on top of the stove with some rice and some mixed vegetables. So I just want to chit chat a little bit and talk about the last episode of Black Mafia Family. Black Mafia Family, excuse me. I think it's really dope how the producer or the director is incorporating more of his parents' situation because it's more intriguing for those who aren't really interested in the drug deal side of things. And I say that because I don't want to say it humanizes them, because I can very much relate with their situation, like two boys raised on the good track. Circumstances have it to where, I mean, their mama was working at Wendy's. Hello, hands raised of who all has worked at Wendy's. Okay, who all has had odd jobs to try to make ends meet. And it's like you get to the point where you're like, you know what, maybe cutting corners ain't. Anyway, let me stay focused. Okay, so with Lucille and Charles, it's like you really are rooting for their relationship, right? Because they go to church together, like they're family oriented, just good people in general. But it's like, I just want to say, girl, crack it open, give it to him. You know what I'm saying? Like, do what you got to do. You got a good man right there. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't have been tripping over okay, I have been tripping over the girly magazines. I have. I was in a situation like that years ago, but nonetheless, this video ain't about that. But it's like she kind of, the Bible says give no room to the devil, right? Give no place to the devil. And it's like, if you're not taking care of your man in that way, granted, she was tired. The episode before, she was like, it was like 3 o'clock in the morning. She like, Charles, I got to get up. I got to go to work in a few hours. Like, I'm tired. But he's just a good, hardworking man. It just like, he's, you know what I'm saying? If he ain't getting it from you. Anyway, so I thought that he was going to end up with the Caucasian woman that he had hired, for his driving business. But I was wrong, honey. He went a whole nother which way. And also, when they was hooking up, who else thought that he was giving his wife something? Okay. And I ain't trying to be messy, because I know 50 boys, they come after you. But